Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. Today, I want to introduce you to Find a Locksmith Now. Locked out, find a locksmith now. We will match you with a local locksmith to help you with all your lock needs. The number is 915-209-4577. Excuse me. Connect with local locksmiths now, emergency services, fast and reliable, countless solutions. Call 915-209-4577 to connect. Find a locksmith now. Find a locksmith now helps connect people to local locksmiths in their area. Working both reliably and efficiently, our locksmith experts will have your lock key issues resolved in a blink of an eye. Call us today to connect with lock experts. That number is 915-209-4577. The most unique thing about this phone number, no matter where you are in the United States, that one number will connect you with a local locksmith in your area who is ready to help you in a moment's notice, whether it be in the middle of the night, midday, lockouts. This is the best number to have. But also, if you're um, just bought a new home or you're a landlord, property owner, tenants move out, definitely change all locks in the property. So that number again is 915-209-4577 and get matched up with a locksmith in your area. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. We greatly appreciate you viewing, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe today.